Hardware.
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 Hardware is a noun. As a noun, hardware can mean 1. Fixtures, equipment, tools and devices used for general-purpose construction and repair of a structure or object. Also, such equipment is sold as stock by a store of the same name, e.g. hardware store. 2. Equipment. 3. The part of a computer that is fixed and cannot be altered without replacement or physical modification. Motherboard, expansion cards, etc. Compare software. 4. Electronic equipment. 5. Metal implements. 6. A firearm.
Which is the glue aisle of the hardware store.